today's fast-paced world, a good night's sleep has become not just desirable, but essential if we are to function at our best. Quality of sleep affects our performance, how we feel physically and psychologically. What we sleep on is therefore ever more important. The right bed is essential for a perfect night's sleep. In rural Devon on the quiet banks of the River Tamar, we at boxspring are dedicated to creating bespoke beds using only the finest materials. Our world-class British craftsmen use tried and tested methods to provide the ultimate sleep experience for those dedicated to having the best of everything. As originators of the pocketed spring, we have been perfecting the art of a divine night's sleep for over 100 years. Our passion for excellence continues to this day. Following the launch in 1901, boxspring beds became so sought after that by 1914 they were found in luxury London hotels and even on board the great Atlantic liners, including the Queen Mary and the Titanic. On average, we spend over 3,000 hours a year in bed. That's a staggering 25 years in a lifetime. So selecting the right bed is not a decision to be taken lightly. It can affect quality of sleep for years to come. Our beds are individually tailor-made to order using boxspring's special recipe. The process starts with one of the key ingredients, the perfect spring. All springs are not the same. Where other manufacturers use recycled wire, boxspring use only new vanadium steel to provide unparalleled strength and elasticity for a longer and more responsive life. Each spring is made of 6 coils, forming the basis of our name, Vi, V and 1 being the Roman numerals for 6. Each spring is sewn into a pure cotton calico pocket, a long-lasting natural material able to absorb and release moisture and static. With at least 47 inches of wire in every spring and an average of 1 mile in every mattress, maximum comfort and support is guaranteed. The pocketed springs are now honeycomb nested inside a nesting box to create the tailor-made size. By nesting, the number of springs is increased, providing more comfort and support while creating a smooth and even sleeping surface. Honeycomb nesting means fillings will never push down into gaps, and each spring is free to respond to every movement, a key element of a divine night's sleep. Every mattress in the range features at least 2 rows of genuine hand side stitching. Carried out by only senior upholsterers, this is a highly labour-intensive technique. It gives the mattress strength, durability and stability. Great care is taken, as each mattress is stitched using traditional long needles and twine. This is the ultimate way to secure the spring to the border, both top and bottom, correctly tensioning the units. It is the single most time-consuming element in the boxspring process and can take as long as 8 hours for one mattress. Because of the expense and expertise involved in side stitching, most manufacturers secure the springs with border rods before cosmetically stitching for effect. This creates a hard ridge near the edge of the mattress, reducing the sleeping area and affecting comfort. At boxspring, we are proud to be the only bed producer whose deep side stitching allows this metal rod to be removed before upholstery. By removing this rod, we increase the sleeping area and achieve the legendary boxspring comfort. Only the finest natural materials are used to fill a boxspring mattress, giving everyone a wonderful, luxurious quality. Recycled materials such as used textiles are widely utilised in the industry to create a type of felt. We reject these materials as they don't recover from the compression involved in everyday use and can easily tear, allowing the springs to penetrate. Our natural fillings don't sag or go lumpy and last longer too. boxspring fillings include pure cashmere, lamb's wool for softness, long-stranded horsehair for durability and responsiveness, and superior natural cotton felt mixed with white fibre. This natural cotton felt is renowned for its comfort and breathing qualities. These are just some of the materials, all carefully weighed, teased, mixed and layered to exact quantities according to the boxspring recipe. A fine cotton hairproof sheet separates the layers and prevents hairs from penetrating the surface. There is no foam in a boxspring mattress. Natural materials create a healthier, safer and more sumptuous sleeping platform. They absorb and release moisture efficiently and effectively. Cool in summer, warm in winter. They remain resilient after long years of use. Our dedication to using only the finest ingredients and techniques put boxspring beds in a class of their own. Finally, the top cover. We offer the customer a wide choice of the very finest Belgian tickings. Woven from viscose, a natural breathing material derived from wood pulp, this fabric is strong and durable, yet luxurious. The panels of this beautifully heavy fabric are carefully hemmed to improve stability and avoid fraying. Each bespoke mattress is then lovingly embroidered with the model name. The mattress is closed using a combination of craftsman's skill and a specially adapted sewing machine. Woolen tufts add a distinctive look to the mattress, but their purpose is more than just decorative. A long needle is used to pass a tape through the spring and upholstery. This is secured with tufts on each side of the mattress. The tufts create a plumptuous surface effect while holding the fillings in place. On average, we lose 1 pint of moisture each night during sleep. This is why vents are inserted into the border of all our mattresses, allowing air to circulate. Handles are reinforced to provide extra strength. Filled with vanadium steel and no scrimping on the exceptional quality of natural fillings, a boxspring is much heavier than other mattresses. But as there is no need to turn the mattress, this need not be a problem. Every mattress is checked and signed by the craftsman at each stage before being released for the next step. Before receiving the final boxspring seal of approval, rigorous safety tests for flammability and durability are carried out. The comfort of even the finest mattress is greatly enhanced by a sprung base or divan. Our commitment to quality means we only use the very best materials from start to finish. Our solid timber is selected only from sustainable forests. Mature, slow-growing pine from Arctic Scandinavia is chosen for strength and is kiln-dried to avoid warping or distortion and planed for a smooth surface. The joints are screwed and glued with over 135 screws in the average 5-foot divan. And boxspring drawers are made to cabinet standard, tested to withstand 30,000 openings. The Sovereign divan seen here uses nested calico pocket springs, normally only seen in the very highest quality mattresses. The timber frame is insulated and the corners are carefully built around the spring unit to create added strength and smooth lines. Natural upholstery fillings such as coconut fibre insulate the springs, and the soft cotton-rich mix is placed on top to create a layer thicker than many manufacturers would use in their mattresses. The divan is then covered with superior quality lined fabric selected from a wide range of options available. Great care is taken to produce even tension all around the divan during upholstery. The underside is completed with strong natural cotton calico for a perfect finish. To aid mobility, our divans are mounted on smooth running casters. Solid wooden legs or bun feet are also available if preferred. Everything here is tailor-made. boxspring divans provide a flexible, responsive platform for the mattress. Each one is designed to move in harmony with the mattress for a level of comfort and responsiveness simply not possible with a slatted base. Our craftsmen apply such care and attention, going to great lengths to create the flawless look that makes our divans so special. Fine skills, minute attention to detail, and honest pride in producing wonderful beds are reasons why Viespring remains the choice of those dedicated to having the best of everything. The quality of our springs and upholstery means greater resilience, comfort, and a longer life. While statistics show that the average bed lasts for less than 10 years, Viespring beds often last for 20 years or more. And to provide you with effortless luxury for years to come, there is no need to ever turn your Viespring mattress. We want to ensure that your Viespring bed is just perfect for you, which is why we make the Viespring promises. Our beds come with a lifetime guarantee against manufacturing faults, so you can sleep easy. If you're not entirely satisfied with your selection, we will replace your bed free of charge, subject to terms and conditions. With so much choice in the Viespring collection, there is a bed for everyone and every space. We are proud to create wonderful beds designed to provide a unique and unsurpassed sleep experience. Our customer testimonials received daily pay tribute to this. For those who are dedicated to having the best of everything, Viespring's haute couture beds give a divine night's sleep.